Introducing SocialTale, the ultimate AI-powered social media toolkit designed for everyone, from casual users to marketing pros. Imagine effortlessly creating, scheduling, and publishing engaging content across all your favorite platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, all from one user-friendly dashboard. With our innovative AI post composer, generating captivating posts has never been easier, eliminating writer's block and ensuring your content resonates with audiences. Plus, you can automate your scheduling to optimize when your posts go live, maximizing engagement without the hassle of manual work. Right now, we're offering an unbeatable lifetime deal at only $37 for a one-time fee. No more monthly fees. This exclusive founding members license includes unlimited users, unlimited posts, and access to cutting-edge features like post templates and more. You'll also benefit from integrations with popular resources like Canva and Unsplash, making your content stand out effortlessly. Join our community today and revolutionize the way you manage your social media presence. Because with SocialTale, you can create more, stress less, and engage effectively. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Grab your lifetime access before it goes. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
Thanks for watching this demo. I hope you loved it. Don't forget that I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos.